All right, here we are on another skill in IXL. This time we are looking at the area of a triangle. So we're going to take a peek here and do learn with an example first. We see that our question is what's the area of this triangle? And to refresh your memory, here is our area formula. So area of a triangle equals 1/2 times base times height. This is also the same as if you were to see base times height divided by 2. It's the exact same thing, just written in a different way. So for this example, we're going to just plug in the information we know. Our formula is 1/2 times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 8, and then we end up getting 24. So let's go ahead and do back to practice. And this time we are given a base of 8, a height of 7, and we know that our area equals 1/2 times our base times height, and our base in this example is 8 times our height of 7 times 1/2. Okay, so take your phone calculator and we do 8 times 7 equals 56, and then we can divide that by 2 and we get 28. There we go. All right, let's see here. Okay, this is a great one to look at as well. Here, our height is given to us from the top vertex, the point where they meet, our two sides meet, all the way down to our base, the bottom. The height that we want to always use is the one that's perpendicular or makes a 90-degree angle with our base. So our base is 17 times our height is 14. 17 times 14 gives us 238, but we are not done. We actually need to divide by 2, and that gives us 119. Okay, here's another great one we can look at. This, we are only looking at our shaded region, but since this is a triangle that's kind of tipped, our height isn't actually found inside the triangle. It's actually found on the outside. So that's why you see these red dotted lines. Again, look where your 90-degree angle is. Our height in this example is 16 and our base is 17. So we can do, this is the formula that I've been using, which is the exact same, it's just written in a little different way. Base times height divided by 2. Okay, so we're going to do 17 times 16 and then divide this by 2. So let's go ahead and grab our calculators. 17 times 16 is 112, and divide that by 2. We should have 56. Oh, I must have typed in the wrong thing. Sorry, guys. Well, this is why you always check your math, I guess. So let's go ahead and try another one. All right, 10 times 19 divided by 2 gives us 95. There we go. All right, let's jump up a level here. So just like in our squares and rectangles, it's going to give you some where you work backwards. Remember, the formula you are using is area equals base times height divided by 2. So we're going to just plug in what we know. This is our area, so we know over here it's going to be 36 equals, our base is z times our height of 6 divided by 2. Okay, now this is what's going to confuse you guys, but remember, when we have something on the bottom, we've got a fraction over on this side, we actually can make our other side a fraction too by just putting it over 1. And now we have the ability to go ahead and, thing that you guys love, cross multiply. So we multiply these and we multiply these. So 1 times z, it gives us I'm actually going to go over here, z times 6 equals 36 times 2 will give us 72, and then we're just solving again, divide by 6, divide by 6, and we end up with our z equaling 12. So let's put that in, make sure we did this right. Perfect. All right, you guys, I think you are off to a great start. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions.